relationship, what do you think about secret in relationship? So we are in Jabi Lake and we want to go inside to get people's opinion.
Something that I have a straightforward answer. Because in life, every life has it's just like a two-edged sword. The secret, whether to keep the secret, depends on how the secret is all about. Because there's some secret that when you keep that secret, it will yield a good result. But when the other way, when you reveal that secret, it will have a very bad product. So the keeping secrets is based on what you are keeping for. Is it in favor or against? Opening the secret based on your intention, the interior mood over it. That is the answer.
No, it's not necessary at all to keep secrets in a relationship, because you guys are meant to trust each other and know hiding it from each other. So secrets are not meant to be kept.
Actually keep secret from him because I don't know what the relationship is going to lead to. Maybe at the end of everything we'll not get married, at the end of everything everybody have to go. So the secret I've kept with him now, you will not leak it that maybe this girl cannot give birth again. You understand that kind of thing? I have to keep it to myself. It's when I know that okay, where this guy is driving me to be successful. And I can open up my mind to him. I can tell him that okay, this is my secret that you need to know, so I can tell you. But for the fact that we are still in a relationship, I don't know where the guy is driving me to. My dear brother, I'll keep it.
Part of every section of life, keep secrets, most especially in relationship. Yeah, so it's a very big yes for me. I think it's very important to keep secrets in a relationship. There are some ladies who don't take secrets. Telling a woman a secret is like telling the whole world, and sometimes it even plays in relationships too. So to me, I think it's very necessary that I keep secrets, because one thing you could say could blow up everything. It might blow up not just the relationship and many things outside the relationship.
Why I would say yes for you to keep a secret from your relationship or your partner? Yeah, in the sense that at times when you tell your partner something, they end up using it against you. And the other way, it's good you tell your partner anything you're going through, in the sense that you tell your partner all the secrets you have, so that when it comes up at times when your partner heads somewhere else, your partner won't be surprised because you're able to open up to him and tell him this is what is going on and all of that. So I'll say at times it depends on who you're dealing with. You can keep secrets from that person. If the person is someone that can be able to control your secrets, and at the same time I can say no, because the person cannot handle, because lives, we deal with what we can.
Secret to relationship. Relationship is all about life. I know life, everything about life is secret. There's a lot of secret about life. Now many people don't even know about the secret. And you will never get to know it. So just as I said earlier, you need secrets in your relationship for a relationship to work. But not all that secret. There are things you can't hide from your partner. And there are things that will definitely break your relationship if you don't keep it secret. So secret is very, very necessary.
It's a yes and it's also a no. Now I'm going to state them, like depending on the temperaments. Okay, now there are a lot of people, they have different temperaments. There are some sanguine, choleric, melancholy, and phlegmatic persons. So definitely a phlegmatic person are people that actually they have this reserved nature. Why a choleric person, they are this kind of people that are hot-tempered. Now when you study your partner to know this person is an hot-tempered person, then for me I would think you don't have to like spill out those secrets. You have to keep it for yourself, because in life there are some secrets that you have that you would die with. It's not everything you tell people. I know a lot of people that have actually opened up a wound and like kill their relationship or kill the whatever they had with the person. And in the other way around, it is very advisable you tell your partner your secret, because sometimes you see guys, they actually like the fact that you tend to tell them the truth. That when you tend to hide this truth from this person, then the person tends to like see you as a liar in the future. So I would really want to advise that first you need to study your partner, know the person.